Namaste students, I am your teacher Meena, TGTSS. Today I will teach you the remaining part of the chapter Water of Geography. Let me start it. The main two topics is tides and ocean current. Let me start it with the tides. In this chapter we study about the tides. Before starting the chapter, first of all you take your textbook and pencil. I'll give the important points, you underline it. Okay student, let me start it. Tides. In what do you mean by tides, type of tides and helpful of tides? In this chapter we study about it. Okay, the rhythmic rise and fall of the ocean water twice in a day is called the tide. Okay student, what is tide? The rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice a day. How many times? Twice in a day. Okay, it is high tide when water covers much of shore of the rising at highest level. It is low tide when water falls to lowest level and reduce from the shores. Okay student, understand the tide? टाइड क्या होता है बच्चों? दिन में 2 बार समुद्र के पानी का उठना और गिरना के दे कॉल बी टाइड्स. ओके, और द मेन रीजन ऑफ टाइड्स, टाइड का मेन रीजन क्या होता है? सन एंड मून ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. लेट बी स्टार्टेड. द strong gravitational pull exerted by the sun and the moon on the earth's surface cause the tide. Okay, main reason of the tide is gravitational force of sun and moon. Okay, the water of the earth closer to the moon get pulled under the influence of the moon's gravitational force cause the high tide. The high tide main reason is moon gravitational force. Okay, during the full moon and new moon. Okay, underline it. During the full moon and new moon, the sun and the moon and the earth are in the same line, straight line. They make a high tide. The main reason of high tide is sun, moon and the earth rise in a same line. Okay, or this tide called be spring tide. Underline it. तो spring tide क्या होता है? High tide होता है when they all on 3 line, straight line. Okay, but when moon in the first and last quarter, okay, the moon position is first and last quarter, the ocean water get down in a diagonally opposite by the gravitational pull of sun and moon, resulting low tide, and this low tide called be nap tide. Okay student, two types we study about the two types of nap tide and other is spring tide. Spring tide is highest tide and nap tide is lowest tide. Okay, and main cause of these tides are moon's gravitational force. Okay, and they also help in the so many things. Let me start it. Spring tides means to high tide help in the navigation. First is help in navigation, help in fishing and help in generating electricity. Okay, this high tide help in navigation. They rise of water level close to the shore. This help the ships of arrive at the harbor more easily. The high tide also help in fishing. Okay, many more fish come closer to the shore during the high tide. Okay, these enable fishermen to get plentiful catch. This rise and fall of water due to tide being used to generating electricity in some places. Okay student, let me study about the ocean current. Ocean current means ocean current a stream of the water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in a definite direction. So ocean current has a definite direction, has constantly a stream form. The ocean current may be warm and cold. Okay, the two types of ocean current is warm and cold. Generally warm ocean current generate near the equator. The main reason of equator why current is warm, because sun rays directly falls on the equator and move toward the pole. The cold current carry water from polar and higher latitude of tropical or lower latitude. Okay student, the Labrador ocean current is cold current and Gulf Stream is warm current. Okay, name of the warm current is Gulf Stream and cold current name is Labrador. Okay, the ocean current influence the temperature of condition of the given area. Okay, they also influence the area's temperature. Okay, warm currents being above the warm temperature and over land surface. The area where the warm and cold currents need provided the best fishing ground. Okay students, too important, underline it. जो एरिया होता है जहाँ पे गर्म और हॉट एंड कोल्ड फिश, जो हॉट एंड कोल्ड करंट मीट करते हैं तो वो टू इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द फिशिंग ग्राउंड. ओके स्टूडेंट, let start it more. World sea around the Japan and eastern coasts of the Northern America, such as example the areas where the warm and cold current meet, also experience foggy weather, make it difficulty to navigation. Okay student, it is too important meeting of two types of streams, but is too hardly difficulty for the navigation. Okay student, our chapter is complete. Today I will teach over the ocean current and tide, and I'll give the some answer, solve it. Okay bachcho, thank you.